Hello, everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. We hope you are all doing well. Today's recipe is also made with eggplant, as part of our eggplant recipe series. I have here 2 eggplants. They have been washed well and fully dried. Now I am going to take the eggplant and remove the stem. Next, I'll slice them into rounds. I'll show you the right thickness. This is the correct thickness. I'll keep slicing and come back to you. Once done, I add a small spoon of salt. Then I mix everything well, so all slices are evenly coated. And let them rest for about 15 minutes to release excess water. This step is important to remove extra moisture, so they don't become soggy and stay crispy. Let them rest for 15 minutes. I'll come back once the water is released. As you can see, the excess water has come out from inside. Now I rinse the eggplant to remove the salt and dark liquid. Then I dry them using a clean towel. I pat the eggplant dry. You can also use paper towels. Dry them very well. I use a cloth like this and gently press. Then I set them aside on a tray. They are ready. I continue the same way until finished. Then I come back to you. I added about 2 tablespoons of oil, measured using a spoon. I brushed them lightly, so they are well coated. I still have a few slices left. I'll prepare them now. I take a bowl and add 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 30 grams of red cheese or Parmesan. Parmesan works best if available. Otherwise, red cheese is fine. I add a small spoon of basil and a small spoon of garlic powder, a little salt only, since the cheese is already salty, and half a spoon of black pepper. Now I mix all the ingredients. I take a baking tray lined with paper and add a little oil. I brush the paper with oil. It is well coated. I take the eggplant slices and coat them in the mixture. They are fully covered. Then I arrange them on the tray. I place the eggplant in the oven. The oven is preheated at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. I'll come back after baking. Now I prepare a sauce using the leftover eggplant pieces. This sauce is very tasty. Just follow along. It is full of flavor and really delicious. I heat the pan. I add 1 tablespoon of oil and salt the leftover pieces. I let them cook for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. They are nicely cooked. Then I flip them on the other side. Once cooked, I turn off the heat. They are ready to mash. I transfer them to a bowl and start mashing. I mash the eggplant well. I add 1 cup of plain yogurt. Half a freshly squeezed lemon. Salt and pepper, adjusted to taste. I add garlic powder, just a small spoon, and a small spoon of mustard. I mix the sauce very well. The sauce is ready. The eggplant is almost done. Let us move to the final result. Here it is fully cooked. As you can see, it is nicely crispy and very delicious. Still hot. I arrange them carefully on a serving plate, ready to serve. This is the final presentation. Crispy eggplant rounds, served with eggplant sauce. Nothing was wasted. The leftovers became a sauce. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications. As for the breadcrumbs, use only half a cup, since some will remain and can be reused later in another recipe. Nothing goes to waste. That's all for today. See you in the next video.